This is a brand new 2010 Chevrolet Traverse. Plenty of space for what you need. This crossover won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.